Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have your certificate files and Postman open. Now start the configuration. First, confirm the exact host or domain and port you'll target because Postman maps certs to origins. Next, if you have a single P12 file, note its password if you have separate CRT and key, keep them together. Once done, open Settings, then the Certificates tab to prepare to add a new client certificate entry for that host, port. This begins the hands-on step. In the Certificates pane, click Add Certificate and enter the host and port exactly. Postman matches the origin string. Then choose whether to upload a P12 bundle or supply separate CRT and key files and enter the P12 password if needed. Make sure to toggle the checkbox to send the client certificate with requests to that host. Also set the option to trust or verify the server certificate chain as your environment requires. This controls whether Postman validates the server TLS certificate. Now make a request to the target host and immediately open the Postman console to watch the TLS handshake and headers. If authentication succeeds, you'll see the client certificate sent. If it fails, double-check the file format, CRT/key versus PKCS12, any password, and that the host port exactly matches the certificate entry. If problems persist, restart Postman or clear its cert cache, because Postman sometimes holds previous cert state. This simple restart often resolves apparent configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.